Coach, congratulations. Happy ending. Can you explain your emotions right now?
Thank you. It was a tough tournament, up and downs. We had a good start, but in the middle we got a little bit of the batting actually was struggling, and then on top of that we lost Anil on the way. But we were very determined, like to win this tournament. The whole group was together working hard, and we knew that if you start doing small things right, we can get it. And even I don't think anybody believed that we can beat Royals this easy. But within our group, we had that belief, and we achieved it.
You thought this is an easy win, but do you think it was possible in this way when you in this break 185 pitches and the top order not firing?
At the beginning of the innings, it was a tough toss actually. We were debating to chase or bat first because it was a good wicket, and we know that it's going to be a high scoring game. I thought 180 was not enough in that. After they got 110 into around 12 overs, one wicket down, I think we started bowling well, and it was a great effort to keep it for 185. It would have been 210, 220 even. But once I see 185, I think it's just that we need to start.
You sent Milantha to open. Was it because they have Safe and Hardik top?
No, what I wanted to do today is put the best people up there. It works. It works. Don't want to. We tried actually different combinations to mix up the youngsters and the senior players. Didn't go well. So I thought today we're going to pack the best on the top and see how it goes.
You said Mohsin in the number 4. You said there will be some surprise in the batting order. Was it the plan, or was it due to the situation in game that you wanted both the left-handers?
He was we asked him to pair it up and stay. Even if there's an early wicket fall, he would have gone in. But once Asif and Milantha got the start and the momentum, and we wanted to carry few more overs into the in the second half of the game. So that's why Mohsin walked in, and he did a great job to get things going.
The batters are grabbing the headlines today, but it was Lally to make sure he made an economical over as well. And throughout the tournament, he has been exceptional. Any words on him, and especially today's performance?
I think for me, if you ask me, honestly, he is the best player of this tournament. And sometimes it's I don't agree that when you are only going by the numbers, okay? Dipendra had a good tournament, and there are other few players at good tournaments, and there's numbers are there, runs, wickets, and whatever. But Lalit's performance was the key for us to win this tournament, and there was times that he came unbelievably. Even today we had the batters had a great start, and he came and bowled a maiden over. It was not just one fluke day. He was keep doing it every game. There are two times he had bowled 2 maidens in the power play. So on these batting wickets, I think he's the best player of this tournament. For me, it's not because of that I'm from Janakpur and I'm saying that he is the player of this tournament.
Do you think he's unlucky not to get away with the call?
100%. He deserves that.
Coach, overall summing up the tournament, we have players like Jimmy Nisham coming in, Super Kawan coming in, and a fitting finale for this crowd. How do you see the growth of cricket, this NBL helping the growth of cricket?
That's wonderful. I mean, I started saying that as well. The tournament was very well organized, and the fans were all over the place and supporting the game. I think all 8 teams played quality cricket. And of course, we only can have one winner. But having 80 plus Nepali players playing in this tournament, even in our dressing rooms, we have 3 under 19 players and few more other junior players and sharing the dressing room with Jimmy and other senior players. And I'm sure they learned a lot. And I'm also personally happy that I was able to put these youngsters into under pressure moments and see how they go. I think they learned so much, and this tournament will do wonders if he keeps going the same way. This will be the key for Nepal to getting into the next level.
We've seen the players playing in, but how important has been the management? And you've been part of the Bulls franchise for long. How important has the management side of things been in this game?
No, Jaranpur Bulls is always been a great bunch of administration we have. They have actually very well organized and they have, from the first day that they have the vision of winning the tournament. From the draft to the tournament, moving forward and even up to today, they are very well supported, by for the players. Everything that we do, and even today, yesterday night when we have meetings and then our owners also was part of it, and I don't think anybody believed that we are going to come and be Royals, but in our camp, the players believed and the owners believed, all the administration staff believed. I think that's the reason for us to finish at the top.
Personally, you've been quite connected with Nepalese cricket for a long time. You were in the mentor role just before the tournament. Now you're signing off as a winning coach. What was next for your career in connecting to Nepal?
I don't know. I mean, from today, I had a busy year with. I stepped down with Canada in August, and then a few franchises up to now. At the moment, there's nothing lined up for me. I'm just going to spend some time with my family.
Went down for Jaranpur Bulls, and you struggled in the playoff also, qualifier also. What is the secret behind this dazzling pop?
I think, from the coaching point of view, the bad games actually helped me to find the areas that is not going right, and then we kept pushing things and like I said earlier, there are many people who met us yesterday night and few days ago that saying that you cannot beat Royals, but we kept saying that we can, and we know what we need to do. And one thing that I told today was just to find 5 overs period to put pressure onto these Royals, and didn't happen in the first innings because they batted well, but we found that 5 overs when we started, and from there we took over and we didn't let anything come on our way.
Thank you.